Here you will learn how to upload multi-evaluation methods. A multi-evaluation method consists of a file with the extension MEV plus all the method files that are referenced inside the MEV file, such as quant or ident methods. For demonstration, we will now upload a multi-evaluation file that uses quickcompare as well as quant1. When you look into the archive, you can see that there's a dedicated folder called MEBase. Inside you can find three subfolders called ident, ME and quant. The actual multi-evaluation files are stored within the ME folder. The referenced ident and quickcompare methods are stored in the ident folder. Quant1 and 2 as well as integration methods are stored in the quant folder. Opus Touch has a function that easily allows to upload multi-evaluation methods, since it takes care of each individual file and copies it to the correct destination. To upload the files, tap on the upload icon in the archive. Then select Method and Multi-Evaluation. Now you can select all the required files and click Open. Touch has now stored the selected files to the correct folders. A quick check reveals that all the files are now in the correct folders. Now you know how to upload a multi-evaluation file.